The wonders of swarm intelligence. Through the collective intelligence of a group, swarm intelligence has fascinated researchers, inspiring new discoveries in science, engineering, and more. What is swarm intelligence? Definition. Swarm intelligence is the collective behavior and intelligence of a group, leading to the emergence of complex problem-solving abilities. Principles. Based on self-organization, decentralized control, and distributed communication, swarm intelligence can help humans solve problems that are too challenging to solve alone. Applications. Swarm intelligence has been applied to robotics, traffic optimization, and medicine, among other domains, revolutionizing problem-solving strategies of human societies. The power of swarm intelligence in nature. Starling Murmuration. Starlings flock together in a vast, rapidly changing cloud formation, known as a murmuration, to avoid predators. Termite colonies. Termites live in highly organized colonies that exhibit advanced social behaviors in relation to food sourcing, nest building, and self-organization. Ant colonies. Ant colonies are organized in a hierarchical way, with each ant carrying out a task to ensure a successful community. Swarm intelligence in technology. Robotics. Swarm intelligence logic has been used to develop drones, self-driving vehicles, and robotic systems that mimic the insect world to solve different problems. Machine learning. Swarm algorithms have been applied to pattern recognition, clustering, and prediction to solve data-intensive problems in different industries. Decentralized networks. Swarm logic can be applied to decentralized networks that control the flow of data, offer a disruptive approach to secure communication, and provide fault-tolerant and scalable systems. The challenge and limitations of swarm intelligence. 1. Complexity. Highly complex swarm systems can be difficult to manage and understand due to their large-scale operations, dynamic behaviors, and unpredictability. 2. Competition. In some situations, competition among agents can harm the performance of the swarm by disrupting the collective behavior and communication that underpins its intelligence. 3. Ethical issues. There are issues related to the ethical use of swarm intelligence for purposes such as military or surveillance activities, as they can affect human lives in the environment. The future and beyond. Robot swarms. Imagine an army of robots that can self-organize to carry out complex tasks, such as disaster responses, construction, and even space exploration. Drone swarms. Swarm intelligence is being applied to develop drone swarms that can scan large areas for wildfires, patrol wildlife parks, or assist in crowd control. Nanobot swarm. The concept of nanobot swarms has been proposed as a potentially revolutionary technology to tackle human health problems, including cancer, aging, and neurodegenerative diseases. Conclusion. Benefits. Collective problem-solving. Decentralized control. Adaptability. Limitations. Complexity. Competition. Ethical issues. The future. Robot swarms. Drone swarms. Nanobot swarms. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.